Inflation means the same money buys less over time. Imagine you have $10. Today it buys one burger. Next year the same burger costs $12. The rise in price is called inflation. Why does inflation happen? Inflation usually happens for three reasons. First, things become harder to make, like raw materials becoming expensive. Second, people want more things. High demand is equal to high prices. Third, countries print more money. More money is chasing the same goods is equal to price rise. How inflation affects you? When inflation rises, your savings lose value and your daily expenses increase. If inflation is 6% a year and your money does not grow, your savings are quietly shrinking. Important lesson. You can't control inflation, but you can protect yourself. How? By putting your money into things that grow faster than inflation, like investing, skills, or assets. If your money grows at 8% and the inflation is 6%, you are winning.